This is where most drivers make dangerous mistakes. Right from the start, look at this. Parked cars still covered in snow, and even the give way sign ahead is completely covered under ice. That's already a warning sign. It means the temperature is still low and the road might not be as safe as it looks. At first glance, this road seems fine. It's not fully covered in snow, and it even looks a bit melted. But that's exactly what makes it dangerous. Because when roads are fully covered in snow, drivers naturally slow down. But when it looks like this, people relax, and that's when mistakes happen. Now look closely at the road surface. That brown, slushy layer might not look dangerous, but underneath it can still be icy. This is what we call hidden danger. So the first thing you should always do in these conditions is slow down. And not just a little bit, drive noticeably slower than your usual speed. Because your stopping distance on roads like this is much longer than you expect. Even gentle braking might not stop the car immediately. That's why smooth driving is so important. Avoid sudden braking. Avoid sharp turns. Avoid quick acceleration. Every movement should be slow and controlled. Because on slippery roads, sudden inputs can make you lose control instantly. Now look ahead and think about your distance. Always keep more space between you and the car in front. At least double your normal following distance. Because if they brake suddenly, you need enough time to react safely. And remember, it's not just about your driving. Other drivers might not realize how slippery the road is. Some might brake late or turn quickly, thinking it's safe. So always stay alert and be prepared. Now let's talk about black ice. This is one of the biggest dangers in winter driving. The road might look wet or clear, but it could actually be frozen. So if the temperature is low, always assume there could be ice. Now as you approach areas like this, junctions and give-way points, be extra careful. These spots are usually the most slippery because cars are constantly stopping and moving. So slow down early. Don't wait until the last second to brake. Because if you brake too late, your car might not stop where you want it to. When you drive, make sure to notice. Some cars may be still covered in snow, which means they haven't moved for a while. But others could suddenly pull out. And on a slippery road, reacting quickly becomes much harder. So always think ahead and anticipate what might happen. Here's something many drivers forget. Even if your car feels stable, it doesn't mean the road is safe. Sometimes you won't feel the loss of grip until it's too late. So stay cautious the entire time. Keep your speed steady, your steering smooth, and your focus on the road. Look for shiny patches or anything unusual. That could be ice. And if your car ever starts to slide, don't panic. Gently ease off the accelerator, steer smoothly, and avoid slamming the brakes. Staying calm makes a huge difference. Driving in these conditions is not about speed. It's about control. So next time you see a road like this, don't trust how it looks. Drive safe, stay alert, because winter roads don't forgive mistakes.